आप मुझे दीजिए नहीं। अब पहले हम बात करें इसके ऊपर कि पहले ही तो ये बड़ी ही निंदनीय, इट इज अ डास्टर्डली टेरर अटैक, वेरी कवर्डली टेरर अटैक, एंड इट शुड बी कंडेम्ड unequivocally बाय एवरीवन irrespective ऑफ रिलीजन, कलर, कास्ट और क्रीड। हैविंग सेड दैट, फर्स्ट थिंग। सेकेंड थिंग, आप बोल रहे हैं हिंदू टेरर, मुस्लिम टेरर, इस्लामिक टेरर या फलाना जिहाद, ढिमकाना जिहाद, all these analogies and these terminologies have erupted out of studios. It is not in the office of PDP, Congress or BJP they have erupted, but they have erupted in these studios. आप तीसरी चीज बोलते हैं कि इस पॉलिटिकल किलिंग को आप कैसे देखते हैं? एक सेकंड, आपने देखिए, या तो आप मुझे बोलने दीजिए या तो मैं चुप कर लेता हूं।
नहीं, सिपाही was made in the studio.
I am saying these jargons. I am talking about the jargon. अब आप देखिए, राहुल जी, बात
what garbage, what nonsense.
अगर आपने यहाँ पे
Mr. One second, Mr. Bhatt, listen, don't give me lectures. 1 minute, Mr. Bhatt, you relax 1 minute. Listen to me, Mr. Bhatt, मेरी बात सुनिए। अगर आप में कन्विक्शन होती, मेरी बात सुनिए। You are talking about courage. I'm not going to listen, sir, to people abusing us. You give us justice, don't give us abuse.
No. I am not also going to listen to people.
Tell me one case that you prosecuted. If you tell me you were in power in Kashmir, tell me one case you prosecuted against. No, I'm asking you to bring to justice the killers of Kashmiri Hindus. बड़ी बातें बोलते हैं।
I am not going to take that.
आप चुप बैठे हुए हैं वहाँ पर।
If you want to listen to the debate, if you want to listen to the core problem, if you want to listen to the core issue, then have.
No, I don't want to listen to your abuse.
To listen to me.
I never abused you. I never called you a coward. 1 minute. I am not going to listen to you. Your nonsense. I am not going to listen to your nonsense. You don't know what people's families have gone through. You're an apologist. You're a collaborator. You're a collaborator. That's why you are safe there. You are a coward and collaborator. That's why you are safe there.
You are a conflict merchant.
So don't abuse. You understand that?
You are a conflict
merchant.
You
don't abuse that. Don't abuse. Do not abuse and do not use names. You are an individual who has become an apologist for hate crime against humanity, sir. You should look at yourself in the mirror. I don't know how you sleep properly at night. And I don't want to listen to this. I don't want to listen to him. Shut him down. He's a despicable human being who has turned into an apologist for the sake of politics, for the worst kind of terror that you will ever see in that valley. Viewers, lakhs of Hindus have been kicked out of their homes. And these people in the PDP did nothing to get them justice. In any other part of the world, viewers, any other part of the country, they would have had campaigns. They would have campaigns. They would have gone on and on and on, droned about it. And they have the cheek today to sit and tell us, these collaborators, that we are cooking up theories. How dare you, sir? The state of Pakistan was formed on the basis of religion. Don't forget that. And the man who opposed it was dead within 6 months. Their constitution was overhauled. If you don't realize that, too bad for you. Nupur Sharma, would you like